Math 082 Final Exam Review Problems 14, 15, and 16. In problem 14 we must solve for x in the equation y equals mx plus b. On the side of the equal sign where the term with x is, we will begin by subtracting b from that side. Of course, we must subtract b from the other side of the equal sign as well. Bring down the equal sign. B minus b is 0. On the right side, all that remains is mx. On the left-hand side, we have y minus b. Since they are different variables, they do not combine into a single term. We simply write y minus b. Again, we are trying to solve for x, and x is being multiplied by m. So we divide by m on both sides. M divided by m is 1. On the right-hand side, we have x, and x is isolated. On the left-hand side, we have y minus b divided by m. Let's check that. Let's go on to problem 15. We must solve for t in the equation PV equals nRT. On the right-hand side of the equal sign, which is where t is, we see that t is multiplied by a factor made of two variables, nr. So we can divide by that factor of two variables, nr, on both sides of the equal sign. nr divided by nr is 1. We have pv divided by nr equals t. And t is isolated. Let's check it. Here in problem 16, we must solve for s in this equation. There are multiple ways to begin. I think we will begin by distributing r through the parentheses. R times a is written ra. R times negative s we write as minus rs. Fill in the rest of the equation. Remember that we're solving for s. We will subtract ra from both sides of the equation. Ra minus ra is 0. Bring down the equal sign. On the left-hand side, we have capital N minus RA. On the right-hand side, we have negative RS. We are solving for S, and we see that S is multiplied by negative R. Thus, we divide both sides by negative R. Negative R divided by negative R divides to 1. And on the right-hand side, we have isolated S. We have S equals the quantity N minus RA divided by negative R. There are other forms for the final answer here. This should be acceptable. Let's check it.